Today's lesson is exterior angles and triangles. The lesson objective: students will learn that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. In any triangle, you have three interior angles. Interior angles meaning the angles on the inside. Exterior angles would be the angles on the outside. So the sum of the interior angles will equal 180 degrees. 40 plus 80 plus 100 plus 60 equals 180 degrees. I can show you that the sum of these angles will equal 180 degrees. If you remember when we were doing parallel lines cut by a transversal, and we had supplementary angles, and we showed that they would form a straight angle or a line and a half circle. So you see that the sum of these create a straight angle, 180 degrees. We're going to use the exterior angle theorem to show the measure of this exterior angle. And remember, the measure of the exterior angle of a triangle, this exterior angle, is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So we have remote, think of being like on a remote island, far away. So here's our exterior angle, and we want the two angles that are the furthest from it, not the one next to it, adjacent, but the ones that are far away. So the sum of the two remote interior angles will equal that exterior angle. So here we have this exterior angle here. I'm going to go ahead and write exterior angle will equal the sum of these two angles. So we have 80 plus 60 equals 140 degrees. And that will work for any two remote interior angles. So I'm going to put these back. And I'll slide it over here. And I can show it for the other side as well. I can take, for this exterior angle here, here's the exterior angle. I'm going to take the two remote interior angles, the ones that are farthest away. So we take that angle and that angle, and you can see that it matches up. So we have 80 plus 40 equals this exterior angle, which would be 120 degrees. And we'll go ahead and do this for the third one as well. So now for the third angle, I'm going to take these two remote interior angles, 40 plus 60. So we have 40 plus 60 equals 100 degrees. So here we have a triangle, and we want to find the measure of angle QRX. QRX. That's an exterior angle. And using the exterior angle theorem, we know that the remote angles, the measure of these two, the sum of these two interior angles, will equal the exterior angle. So we have 49 plus 80 equals 129 degrees. So we know that the measure of angle QRX equals 129 degrees. So let's go ahead and do number 2. I would like you to pause the video and work this one out on your own. You're trying to find the measure of angle VUX. VUX. So you want to find the measure of this angle. So now go ahead and pause the video and see if you can find the measure of that angle. Okay, so we have our two remote interior angles will have the sum of the exterior angle VUX. So we know that this angle, the measure of this angle is going to be 53 degrees plus 103 degrees, which equals 156 degrees. So the measure of angle VUX equals 156 degrees. Now, for number 3, go ahead and try this one on your own. You have you're trying to find the measure of angle HFX. So go ahead and pause the video and see if you can find the answer. Okay, so hopefully you recognize that the angle HFX is this exterior angle, and you're going to take the two remote interior angles, 39 and 26. The sum of those two angles will equal the exterior angle. So 39 plus 26 equals 65 degrees. So the measure of angle HFX equals 65 degrees.